Hi guys, welcome back to the home in Homestead. So today we're going to be working on an organizational project. I don't know about you guys, but I have quite a few cookbooks, and here is a series of baking cookbooks I'm going to use as an example for the project that I did today. At the time of this video, there's 5 volumes. Later this week, volume 6 will be coming out. And anyway, when I'm ready to bake an item, sometimes I have a hard time remembering now, was that recipe in volume 3, volume 1, and it takes kind of a while to sort through all the different indexes of the cookbooks to find the correct book that I'm looking for. So I thought, what if I photocopied the cover and the index pages and created like a master index for my cookbooks? So that's what I did. So then each of these books, I did that, and I can quickly grab this little booklet and find the recipe in the book volume that I'm looking for. And I put them in protective clear sleeves and used little binder rings. I purchased all this from Staples. I can put the link below in the description box. But that's been serving me well since doing that, and then they're protected too so they won't get dirty. So on a rainy day, this might be a nice little project to do to help make your life a little bit easier when you're getting ready to cook or bake and you want to find a recipe quickly, perhaps with meal planning as well. That could help know exactly which cookbook you need to pull out that day or that week to plan your menu. And as far as menu planning goes, here are some items that I picked up that I found have been very helpful with doing that. There's actually a magnetic tape that I put on the inside of a cupboard door here and here, and then these are magnetic dry erase boards. This has the days of the week. You can write in, and then it came with these little markers with the magnet on the back. There's a little eraser on top, and it came with an eraser as well. And you can fill in a little shopping list or things you might need to pick up throughout the week. And I like that you can erase because, maybe you don't feel like cooking something that day and then you move it on to the next day or whatever. Easy to change about the days that you're going to cook things. So I thought that was nice for menu planning. And then another added bonus is you can shut it in your cupboard and now you don't see it anymore. Well, that's all I have today for this tips and tricks segment. Hopefully you enjoyed this video on making the cookbook master index, and it'll help make your life a little easier and more organized when trying to find recipes you might need, especially for menu planning. And maybe those items I showed you earlier will be helpful to stick to the menu planning process. I can link all the different items I used today on the description box below. I'd like to thank you all for joining me today and for taking time out of your busy day. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.